last lesson, we tackled about a hyperbola, the resulting curves of a cone. Now, we next discuss about the uh, parabola of the resulting curves of a cone. So now, what do you mean by parabola? Now, what is parabola, by the way? Now, let's read. A parabola refers to an equation of a curve such that each point on the curve is equidistant from a fixed point and a fixed line. Now, the parabola equation, where the general equation of a parabola is y is equal to a to the quantity of x minus h times 2 plus k, or x is equal to a times the quantity of y minus k squared plus h, where h and k denotes the vertex. The standard equation of a regular parabola is y squared is equal to 4x. Now, as you can see, there's a picture down of this video, so you can screenshot them. Now, we discuss. So next we have some features of identifying or the parts of parabola. Now we have first the focus. The focus is the point, or A and 0 is the focus of the parabola. The next we have the directrix, the line drawn parallel to the y-axis and passing through the point, or we read as negative A and 0 is the directrix of the parabola, where the directrix is perpendicular to the axis of the parabola. We have also the focal distance, or the focus. The distance of a point is x sub 1 and y sub 1 on the parabola from the focus is the focal distance, or the focal distance is also called as a the vertex. The focal distance is also equal to the perpendicular distance of this point from the directrix, or the asymptotes. We also have the latus rectum, where latus rectum is the focal chord that is perpendicular to the axis of the parabola and is passing through the focus of the parabola, where the length of the latus rectum is taken as L prime is equal to 4a. The endpoints of the latus rectums are the quantity of a and 2a, and a and negative 2a. We also have the eccentricity, or E is equal to 1. It is the ratio of the distance of a point from the focus to the distance of the point from the directrix. The eccentricity of a parabola is equal to 1. Now we also have these forms of parabola, where we have first the y squared is equal to 4ax, and the equation of the axis is y is equal to 0. Then the equation of the directrix is x is equal to negative a. Then our vertex is 0, 0, or the center. We also have the focus, a and 0. Then latus rectum is we have 4a. Then the equation of y squared, we have the second equation, y squared is equal to negative 4ax. Then the form is y squared is equal to negative 4ax. Then the equation of the axis is y is equal to 0. Then equation of the directrix is x is equal to a. Then vertex is 0, 0. And we also have the focus, negative a and 0. Then length of latus rectum is always 4a. Then we also have the second form. X is squared is equal to 4ay. X is equal to 0 where the equation of the axis. Then the equation of the directrix is y is equal to negative a. The vertex is 0, 0 also. Then the focus is 0 and a. Then the latus rectum is 4a. X. Then we have the last form is x squared is equal to negative 4ay. Then the equation of the axis is x is equal to 0. Then the equation of the directrix is x is equal to a. Then vertex is we have 0, 0. Focus 0 and negative a. And the length of latus rectum is 4a. So as you have observed, if the vertex is at the center or the origin is at the center, we always have the equation of the axis y is equal to 0 in different forms. And also we have length of latus rectum 4a in different forms. Now, this is the features of identifying the parabola. If a parabola opens to the right, we have the equation of y squared is equal to 4ax. Then, if your parabola opens to the left, we have y squared is equal to negative 4ax. And if your parabola is opens upward, we have the equation of x squared is equal to 4ay. Then, and if your a parabola opens downward, we have the equation of x squared is equal to negative 4ay.
Move on to the graphing of parabola, but we can't graph it if we can't solve it. So we first solve it, find the vertex, then axis of symmetry, focus, concavity, and length of latus rectum, and also the equation of parabola in order for us to find the graph. So we first find the vertex. Now we have here the equation of y is equal to 3x squared minus 6x plus 5, where a is equal to 3, then b is equal to 6, then negative 6, then c is equal to 5. Now we first find the vertex. Now we have here the vertex. The formula of the vertex is h minus h and k. So the formula of h is equal to negative b over 2a. Then, now let's substitute each of the variable into the formula. Then equals to, then our b is negative 6. So we have here negative 6. Negative times negative will become the positive, then over 2, then our a is 3. Then let's have a 6 over 6 will be 1. So our h in our vertex is 1. So we have here the 1. Now we then find the k. Then the formula of k is equal to f of h, then equals to f, then our h is 1. Then let's have the 3, 1 squared is equal to 6. 1 plus 5 equals to 2. Then our k is 2. So we have the vertex of 1 and 2.